Thank you. You can do anything.
Doug's getting this interior wall with all the daubing applied. My son is tender. Yeah.
You might want to show them how hard it is to do upside down.
I'll have to video you doing that then, because I can't hold everything. And
Well, you got it.
so this is a tough spot.
Yeah, because you put it in and it falls back out. But the trick is to get the big spatula, get it up in there, push it up against that bottom log, and force it in there so it'll stay right there, buddy. Right there. And
There we go.
then you come back with the smaller putty knife and very carefully and diligently fill in the gaps. And then you pray that gravity, oh jeez.
Pray that it don't do that.
That it don't do that, right.
Yeah.
But it does, this did that all the way along until I finally got it.
Right.
So it's a slow process. Because somebody didn't chink the hole clear full. Who was that? Who was doing the chinking over here?
I don't know.
I don't either. He will remain nameless.
Right.
Now that form is screwed down so you can slide over the form. Tip it back and slide. And then you can walk it up. You can actually use the form to set it on until you get into the concrete.
It's a concrete base and that big giant heating fireplace thing.
So all you gotta lift the door up inside.
I'll go in.
All right, you go in. Then I can help out here a little bit, I think.
Okay.
I can't hardly do this and hold the camera too.
Yeah, I got it. There's Daddy.
Right there, you're
Hello.
on, you're on. You're on. Just let her sit right there.
Let me square it up.
Yep, they're on. There we go.
Now let's tip it this way just a bit, guys.
Tip it out.
Towards the front, towards you.
Yeah,
Whoa,
yeah.
whoa,
We're up against the back of the front of the board, which I think would be good.
whoa. Okay, that's good. I just want to get this kind of horizontal when I put the chimney on.
Yeah, we could probably
It's like the front of it needs to go down.
The front of it needs to go down.
that
just a
or
little.
back there needs to go up. But yeah,
How about
one
up?
of
How about the back coming up? Tell you what.
I can push this down. Is that better?
There you go. There you go. Hold on. There we go. Right there.
Maybe put the concrete
Now
in
let's
here.
just take a trowel and clean this back edge up a little bit so the form will come off easy. Okay. Kind of take it in now. Just bring it up. There you go, like that. Bring it across the form. Do like this. Do like this. This form is 1.5 inches. Come right up to the edge of the form and run it up. Okay. Isaac, you push it in. Sterling, you tell me when it's plumb. Right there.
Pretty close to there.
Okay, I'm going to lock it down with a screw. Let go of it, buddy. That's where it sits for the night.
Close enough.
For
I'd
government
say,
work,
yeah.
there she's set.
There's more than one way to skin the cat. Trying to haul the cedar roof logs out of the muddy field. This isn't good. Oh, 4-wheel drive, bro. It turns out the weight of these logs was just dead weight with the trailer, and it didn't matter the grip that his pickup had, it just wouldn't go anywhere. So we had to use the chain out of his pickup to chain my pickup to the front of his. And as you can see in watching this, it did take quite a few attempts at spinning the wheels to gain enough traction to get us out of here.
That was so awesome!
That was so awesome! America!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Wow.
I didn't think we were going to make it. Oh my gosh. All for a bunch of dumb logs.
Tore up my field!
Yeah, man. I'd hate to be a goofball that have to farm this.
You think?
I know, right? Hey, in my defense,
got
I was
it
like, come in here, pull this way, and then back down the grass strip so you don't have to drive through the field.
You know, I probably would have done that, but since you were telling me to do it, I was just
I know.
fine. It's like,
Challenge
screw
accepted.
The older brother. That's stupid.
Yeah, the older brother doesn't
He
know
doesn't know
anything. He
anything.
pulled in
That's
here and
just
almost
dumb.
got stuck himself. Okay, well, we gotta unhook and then back down there and get the log and your chainsaw.